are the days when poultry farming was just about feeding chickens and hoping for the best. Now is the age of smart poultry farming, where your birds are monitored better than your bank accounts. Welcome to ChiJane Agritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share and subscribe. For many years, poultry farming has been a labor of love and intense manual effort. Monitoring temperature, humidity, feed levels, water supply, and the health of individual birds. It's a constant juggling act. When you miss a sign, it could lead to reduced productivity, disease outbreaks, and significant financial losses. The bigger the farm, the bigger the challenge. But what if you could have an extra pair of eyes? Always vigilant, always accurate, and always connected. That's where poultry farming tools come in. Number 1 on our list is environmental monitoring systems. Let's start with the most crucial aspect, which is environmental control. Chickens thrive in very specific conditions. Too hot, too cold, too humid, or poor ventilation can stress birds, impact growth, and lead to sickness. Smart environmental monitoring systems uses an array of sensors to continuously track temperature, humidity, ammonia levels, CO2 levels, and even air qualities. These sensors feed data to a central control unit, often accessible right from your smartphones. If conditions fall outside optimal ranges, the system can automatically adjust fans, heaters, or ventilation systems. Imagine getting an alert on your phone if the temperature drops too low in the middle of the night, allowing you to react immediately, preventing potential losses. It's like having a dedicated climate control expert working 24/7. Number 2, automated feeding and watering systems. Let's talk about the daily grind, feeding and watering. This is another area where smart tools bring great benefits. Automated feeding systems use sensors in feed bins to monitor levels. When feed runs low, the system can automatically deliver more from the storage silos into the feeding lines. Some advanced systems can even weigh the feed dispensed, giving you precise consumption data. This ensures a consistent supply of fresh feed, reduces waste, and frees up your time. Similarly, automated watering systems ensure constant supply of clean water, often through nipple drinkers that prevent spillage and contamination. Sensors can even detect blockages or leaks, alerting you before problems escalate. Consistent access to feed and water is fundamental for bird health and growth, and automation guarantees it. Number 3 on our list, smart lighting systems. Lighting plays a much bigger role in poultry welfare and production than many realize. Smart lighting systems allows you to program light intensity and duration to mimic day-night cycles or optimize for specific growth stages. Gradual dimming and brightening, for instance, reduces stress on birds compared to abrupt on and off switches. You can customize schedules for egg production, broiler growth, or rearing, directly impacting performance and reducing energy consumption by using LED technology and only providing light when necessary. Number 4, health monitoring and security systems. Now this is where things get really exciting. Smart camera systems, often coupled with AI analytics, can monitor flock behavior. They can identify changes in activity levels, congestion, limping or unusual posture, or even early signs of distress. Imagine getting an alert if several birds are huddled in a corner, indicating a potential issue, allowing you to investigate before problem spreads. Some cutting-edge solutions are even exploring thermal imaging to detect fever in individual birds. For security, CCTV systems with remote access provide surveillance against intruders, while perimeter sensors can alert you to any unauthorized entry, protecting your valuable livestock. And let's not forget about drones for large-scale farm surveillance and monitoring. Number 5. Data analytics and management platforms. All these individual smart tools generate a lot of data, but the real power comes from integrating this data into a central management platform. These platforms allows you to visualize trends over time, identify correlations, for example, how a temperature spike affected feed intake, predict potential issues, optimize resource allocation. By analyzing this data, you can make more informed decisions, refine your farming practices, and continuously improve efficiency and profitability. So what are the ultimate benefits of embracing these smart tools? Number 1, increased efficiency and productivity, because you can automate routine tasks and optimize conditions for growth. Number 2, reduce labor costs, because less manual intervention means more time for strategic management. Number 3, improved animal welfare, because consistent optimal environments lead to healthier, less stressed birds. Number 4, early problem detection, because you will be able to prevent costly disease outbreaks or environmental issues. And number 5, better decision making, because you would have data-driven insights for continuous improvements. Number 6, sustainability. Because you are using smart poultry farming tools, you would have optimized resource use for feed, water, and energy. Smart tools aren't just for big commercial farms. They are scalable, affordable, and perfect for smallholder farmers looking to improve efficiency and profitability. With rising demand for poultry, now is the time to invest in tech. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.